Hi everyone, my name is Mitch Leitner and I am an application scientist with Nanoscience Instruments. Today I will be walking through the different ways to navigate your sample with the Phenom SEM. I will be demonstrating on the G2 Phenom XL, but these methods work on any Phenom SEM. The primary tool for navigating your sample is by left-clicking once with your mouse. Wherever you left-click, the stage will move that location to the center of the field of view. Left-clicking and dragging the mouse will allow you to draw a rectangle in the UI. When you let go of the left mouse button, the Phenom will move the stage to that position and zoom in to the size of the rectangle drawn. This is a great tool for identifying and immediately moving to a desired location while operating at low magnification. The side panel is home to a number of tools that are quite valuable when operating the Phenom SEM. The most important feature is the NavCam screen inside the side panel. Just left-click anywhere on this NavCam and that is where the SEM will move to. Another tool on the side panel is the Save Positions tool. This tool is not in the side panel by default, but you can change this in the settings. When it is active in the side panel, there will be a plus icon to add new saved positions. Selecting this icon at your current position will save your XY position, as well as your magnification, focus, and brightness and contrast. Now I can always return to this position, regardless of where I am on the sample holder, by selecting the curved arrow. Up to 5 positions can be saved at one time. When you acquire an SEM image, a large amount of metadata about said image is stored inside of it. This metadata includes everything about the image, including time, detector settings, and position on the stage. If you go into the gallery and select an image, you'll notice a table to the right with all of the metadata. Next to the position data is a curved arrow next to the saved position. Clicking this arrow will move the stage to that saved position, similarly to the save position feature in the side panel. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the different ways to navigate your samples in a Phenom SEM. Stay tuned for more videos in the Phenom SEM series, and if you have any questions about phenoms, please contact us. See you in the next video.